Yes, this is Sierra Alpha 2, Charlie Lima Charlie, and while you're 5'9", I'm using an old AM station here, an old Collins ART-13 on AM, and I'm listening to you on an old BC 348. So hope you can hear me well. You're coming really strong here in Sweden. Over to you. Well, thank you, Yutaka. Well, I read you just fine, loud and clear. You're 5'9" with me here in Sweden. As I said, I'm using very old equipment from 1940. So this is a 1940 transmitter and a 1941, 42 receiver. So I put out about 100 watts a carrier and fully modulated to about 500 watts. The antenna is a hex beam antenna pointing in your direction, Yutaka. And the name on this side is Tommy. So Tommy is the name. Back to you. Thank you, Yutaka. The pleasure is all mine. Wish to work you again. Best 73s from Sweden. Bye bye.